Welcome. Today we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your Orbi RBS750 Mesh Wi-Fi system. First, unbox your Orbi satellite and plug it into a power outlet near your router. Next, press the power button. You'll see the LED light up white as the satellite powers on. Now, grab your smartphone and download the Orbi app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and either log into your Netgear account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Follow the app's easy on-screen instructions to set up the satellite. Next, press the sync button on your satellite to pair it with your Orbi router. Wait for the satellite's LED to turn blue. This means you've got a strong connection. Now, place the satellite in an optimal location to expand your Wi-Fi coverage. Finally, check the signal strength using the Orbi app to make sure everything's working perfectly. And that's it. You're all set with your Orbi RBS750 Mesh Wi-Fi system for seamless, fast internet throughout your home.